Hey, what is up, guys? Martin here, and so today is day 14, which is the day of the actual event. So I mean, here for me it's tomorrow because I'm in Asia. But the event is actually later today. And last time we checked, I haven't refreshed the page. Last time we checked, we had 1,487, and so I am going to refresh the page and hopefully we have passed the 1.5 thousand. So let me do that. Close all of these things there. Hopefully my internet is going to be fast enough. All right, there we go. We have reached the goal. I'm very I'm very happy about it. I'm very ecstatic. So the event is in another so right now it's actually noon here. So it's in another 12 hours. So, I think I can expect more registrations, but I have been able to get more than 1,500 registrations for free using my new system. And we'll see how things are going to play out in the actual event, but I'm very, very satisfied about the whole thing. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to the event if you want to attend it, and I will see you in the next video.